Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to control background music volume during slide playback using JavaScript in Storyline 360. First, open your course in Storyline 360. Next, click the Insert tab at the top of the screen and select Audio. Then, click Background Audio and choose Create Playlist. Add your background music and click OK. Now, preview the course. You'll notice that the background music continues playing across slides. In the following steps, we'll use JavaScript and variables to control the background music playback and volume. Now, create a number variable named bg_control_volume and set its initial value to 100. And click OK. Next, click the View tab at the top of the screen and select the master slide. Then, go to the main master slide. Create a new trigger from Trigger Panel to set the player background audio volume to 0% when the timeline starts on this slide and click OK. Add another trigger to assign the player background audio volume to the variable bg_control_volume whenever this variable changes and click OK. Next, create a trigger to stop the background music when the variable bg_control_volume changes, with the condition that it is equal to 0. And click OK. Then, add another trigger to play the background music when the variable bg_control_volume changes, with the condition that it is equal to 1. And click OK. Now, create a trigger to execute JavaScript when the timeline starts. Add the fade-in script to gradually increase the volume over 1 second, or adjust the duration as needed and click OK. After that, create another trigger to execute JavaScript just before 5 seconds from the end of each slide timeline. Add the fade-out script to gradually decrease the volume over 5 seconds and click OK. Repeat the same steps on another slides. Finally, preview your course and confirm that the background music smoothly fades in at the start and fades out before the slide ends. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.